Okay, to do this, you guys are going to need a calculator. I just want to give you guys a little bit of practice. I'm going to give you guys 3 minutes to do it, okay? Ready, set, go. Go ahead. Wait, what is it? 0.42, then what? 0.5? Wait. Did you round to the thousandth? You did? Yeah, thousandth, the third one, right? Oh, JK. Okay, anybody else? Oh, yeah, go ahead, do it with the hat.
The first column?
Yeah.
Alright, just start where she left off.
Sure.
Alright, 0.707.
Okay.
788.
Alright.
866. 0.906.
Okay, I need someone to read the last column for me. Lauren, did you get done yet? No, not yet? Okay, somebody else? Go ahead, Sam.
The last column?
Yeah.
Alright. 0.466.
Uh-huh.
0.577.
Uh-huh.
0.781.
Yeah.
1.
Uh-huh.
1.28.
Huh. Okay.
1.732.
Yeah.
2.145.
Can you give me one of the cosines?
One of them?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so the first one is 0.906.
Alright, guys. Double check all your numbers and see if you have the same ones as I do. You guys disagree with any of them? Alright, then let's move on. Okay, this first one, determine the length of side A. So if you wanted A, what equation would you guys set up? What trigonometric equation would you set up to find A? That's right, we use cosine. So we're going to say cosine of, oops. I'm going to say cosine of 25 degrees equals adjacent. Now I'm looking at 25 degrees. The adjacent is A over hypotenuse, which is 12. Very nice. Now we have to get the A alone. So what would we do to get the A alone? Yeah, you want to undo this dividing by 12. To undo that, you have to multiply by 12. That's the inverse operation. And you have to multiply the other side by 12. And so now you have 12 times cosine of 25 degrees. That equals A. Alright, now this is probably what I'm going to want from you guys on your tests. But since we all have calculators right now, let's practice using them. Plug that into your calculator. Alright, so after you plug this in your calculator, you get 10.877. That's nearest thousand.
Oh, 876.
876? Okay. So you get 6 right there. Now I do not say this. You see this right here? That's incorrect. Why is that incorrect? Does anybody know? These lines right here. I should not write those lines right there. Does anybody know why?
Because that's equal. You have to have the approximate sign.
Yeah, we have to approximate because we rounded. We got decimals, so you got to put the approximation signs, which is just a squiggly equal sign. So that's your answer. This is probably what you'll write on the test, okay? Now let's do the next one. It's the same triangle, except this time it's asking for B. So what trig function will I use to find B? Yeah, we use sine. So I'm going to say sine of 25 degrees. And sine is opposite over hypotenuse, and our opposite side to 25 degrees is B. So I have B over 12, and then, oh yeah, how do I find B? Oh yeah, it's just the same as the other one. So I'm going to multiply by 12, multiply the other side by 12, so now I have 12 times sine of 25 degrees. That's your answer. Now let's practice with our calculators. If we plug that into our calculators, what do 5.071? Very nice. That's the approximate answer. I don't know for sure. I'm trusting you guys because I don't have my calculator. Alright, for example 3, our reference angle is 38. Now let's do the go blue right here. So we're going to say sine of 38. And the reason why I picked sine is because when I look at our reference angle, we're given the 4 and we're trying to find the x. And so we have the opposite right here and we have the hypotenuse right here. Opposite over hypotenuse. That's sine. That's why I chose sine. So I have 4 right there over x. Oh, this is why. This is why I have it here. Okay, now, yeah, this is important because the variable's on the bottom, so you have to go about solving this a different way. Okay, how am I going to get the x alone? It's on the denominator. What the crap? Yes, you can kill this fraction by multiplying it by x. If you multiply both sides by x, check it out. You undo the dividing by x, and so this is gone. Yay. So now I have x times sine of 38 degrees equals 4. Why do we like that? Well, we like that because now there's no more fraction, and x isn't on the denominator. How do I get the x alone now? Divide by sine 38 degrees. So I just undid that. So this side goes sine 38. I have x equals 4 divided by sine 38 degrees. Alright, let's plug that bad boy in and see what we get. After we do that, we go x is approximately equal to 6.483. Anybody else get something different? Alright, so actually I got 6.497. Alright, so that's your approximate answer. Yay. Alright, let's go to this next one. Here's our reference angle. We have an adjacent and an opposite. Which trig function are we going to use for this one? See, this is opposite. Which one? Not cosine. You guys remember SOHCAHTOA? Yeah? SOHCAHTOA. That's when I just left the seat. I was like, no, I don't think so, girl. No? Okay, look. Which one of these, the sine, the cosine, or the tangent, has the opposite and the opposite right there and the adjacent? Tangent. So I gotta use tangent. So I'm going to tangent of 65 degrees equals 20 over x. Alright, so x is on the denominator again, so we're going to do the same method that we did above. So I'm going to multiply both sides by x, and I'm going to get x times tangent of 65 degrees equals 20. What'd you do? I multiplied both sides by x. Once I multiply both sides by x, I have no more fraction, and I'm happy. Alright, now I divide both sides by tangent of 65, so I get x equals 20 divided by tangent of 65 degrees. Alright, what do you guys approximately get when you guys plug that into your calculator? Alright, I got 9.32, let's see, 9.326. Is that what you guys got? Yeah, very nice.